Welcome to our discussion on the Marine Surety Insurance Policy's privacy practices. Essentially, this policy tells you how they collect, use, and share your information through their website.
Yeah. Right. And it covers both personal information and non-personal data, doesn't it?
Exactly. They separate out personal details, like your name, email, and even your mailing address, which you only provide voluntarily, from non-personal stuff such as your browser type, device, IP address, and browsing habits.
Yep, that makes sense. And it's interesting how they also collect that non-personal data automatically through cookies and various tracking technologies.
Absolutely. It's like they're building a fine-grained picture of your visit without directly identifying who
Right,
you are.
exactly. So how do they use this range of information once it's collected?
Good question. They use this information to operate and maintain the website effectively. That means sending newsletters or marketing communications if you've consented, responding to your inquiries, and even personalizing your browsing experience based on your habits.
Yeah, that sounds beneficial, but what about privacy? I mean, do they share any of that data with outside parties?
They do share information, but with strict limits. Essentially, they only pass on your data to trusted third-party service providers who help run the site and services, and these providers are contractually bound to keep everything confidential.
That's reassuring. And they explicitly state that they won't share your personal information for marketing unless you've given explicit consent, right?
Exactly, and that's a key point. They only use your data within the scope you agreed to, and they hold it for only as long as it's needed, unless the law says
Yeah,
otherwise.
that's a pretty balanced approach. I do wonder, though, about the part that says reasonable precautions to protect your information. Sounds a bit, vague. Would you say that's a concern?
It's like they commit to common security measures, but as with any website, complete security can't be guaranteed.
That's true. And lastly, any changes to this privacy policy? How do they alert users?
They mention that they may update the policy from time to time and will post any revisions on the website, so it's a smart move to review it periodically.
Right, that keeps users in the loop. Overall, it seems like a pretty standard but thoughtful privacy policy aimed at transparency.
Yep, that's spot on. It outlines clear steps around data collection, usage, retention, and sharing while urging users to consult with legal professionals if needed.
Indeed. I appreciate how they balance operational needs with user privacy, although sometimes I'd challenge if the security measures might fall short in some advanced threats.
Fair point. While they do implement reasonable precautions, the nature of web security is unpredictable, so it's something both companies and users need to be vigilant about.
Yeah, exactly. This was a neat dive into their privacy practices. Really shows the importance of understanding what happens with our data online.
Absolutely. It's like knowing the rules of the game so you can protect yourself and make informed choices. Thanks for the engaging discussion, and remember, stay curious about how your
Right on,
data is
thanks.
handled.